Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication on your Paxful application. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Tap Open Paxful application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. This is the main homepage of Paxful application. Having two-factor authentication set on your account improves the security level of your cryptocurrency wallet. However, sometimes you would want to disable the two-factor authentication for various reasons, so in that case, from the main homepage, go and tap on the profile icon located at the upper left-hand corner of Paxful app. From the Accounts tab, scroll all the way down until you see two-factor for login option. Give it a tap and you'll be able to see three options displayed on the screen. A tick mark on the right corner will indicate that you've enabled two-factor authentication for your login. If you want to disable the option, tap the None button at the top and you'll need to verify your mobile number, or you'll need to enter your two-factor authentication code. Simply enter the code that has been sent to your mobile number and type in the code in the text box. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to disable two-factor authentication for login on Paxful application. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.